Hello everyone. So as we are learning more and less concept, let us learn more with the examples. See here on the board I have written the table, I have drawn the table, I have written 3 numbers and we are going to do 1 more, 10 more and less and 100 more and less with the numbers given. Okay. So first number is 215. So let us do 1 more and less first of all these 3 numbers. Okay. So 215, 1 more, what you have to do? You have to add 1 in the ones place. So what will be the answer of it? 216. Okay, we have added 1 in ones place. Then 1 less. So what you have to do? You have to minus 1 from ones place. So if we minus 1 from this 5, what number we will get? 214. So 215, 1 more will be 216. 215's 1 less will be 214. Okay. Now next number is 582 and we are going to do 1 more and less first. So 582 plus 1 means will be 1 more, that is 583. Okay, and 1 less of 582 means you have to minus 1 from 582, that will be 581. Okay. Now the next number is 429. So for 1 more you have to add 1 in ones place. Okay. So 429 plus 1, what it will be? 430. Okay. And 429, 1 less, that means minus 1 in ones place will be 428. Have you understood? You have to add 1 when there is 1 more in ones place digit, and you have to less 1 from ones place when they are asking about 1 less. Okay. Now let us do 10 more and 10 less of the same numbers. Now see here, as I said in the previous video, when they are asking 10 more or 10 less, you have to see only the tens number, tens place number. Okay. So 215, 10 more they are asking, so it will be 1 number more. After 1, 2 comes, so 225. And 10 less means tens place, by 1 number it will be less. So before 1 which number comes? 0. So it will be 205. Okay. Now next is 582. If we do 10 more in 582, you have to add 10. So it will be 592. Okay. And if we have to do 10 less, then you have to minus 10 from this 582. So it will be 572. Okay. The last number is 429. So we have to add 10 for 10 more in 429. So what will be the answer? 439. Okay. And for 10 less, we have to minus from this 429, which will be 419. Have you understood? Now next is 100 more and 100 less. So let us take the same numbers. So as I said in the previous video, if they are asking about 100, you have to see only hundreds number. If more is there, you have to add 1. If less is there, you have to minus 1 in hundreds place. Okay. So 215 plus 100 will be 315, which is 100 more. And 215 minus 100, which will be 115, which will be 100 less. Now next number is 582. 100 more of 582 will be 682. Okay, and 100 less of 582 will be 482. Okay, now again 429, 100 more will be 529, and 100 less of 429 will be 329. Okay children, so from this table you can understand clearly 1 more or less, 10 more or less, and 100 more or less. See, you have to practice and practice again on this. Do as many examples, solve as many examples in the notebook or rough notebook, so that there will be more practice of you, and then you will be thorough with it. Okay, so fine, see you again.